Hi, I'm James from Fine & Country and you've joined me here today in the delightful hamlet of Chesterton, just 10 minutes drive from Leamington and Warwick, where we've got this beautiful countryside surrounding us. We have this wonderful home offering almost 2,000 square foot living space. Let's take a look inside. You've joined me in the rear garden of this wonderful home where just over the brow of the hill we've got the amazing Chesterton Windmill and surrounding countryside. If you'd like more information, please contact me on the details that follow. Thank you for watching.